Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your country on your Temu app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing is to open the Temu app on your Android device. Once you open your app, it will redirect you to its homepage where you need to click on the profile icon. So after scrolling it down, you can get the settings option. You need to simply click on it and click on the country and region option. So here you can get a drop down menu having several of countries that has Temu in its region. So you can select any of the region or the country to which you want to change the settings of. So now after you select a country, you need to simply add in your email and reconfirm it by typing in your password. So after you are done, you are logged into a new country or a new territory on your Temu app. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.